You are welcome to today's class. The GMAT question we have for today is from the topic Principles of Mixtures. The difficulty level of this question is high, so let's take a look at it together. It says here a vessel contains milk and water. So we have let me generate the pen. A vessel contains milk and water in the ratio 3:2. So let's say this is milk, this is water in the ratio 3:2. So milk is 3, water is 2. So that is the ratio. So in order to create a term for the actual volume of milk and water, we multiply each ratio by the constant of proportionality x. Okay, now the volume of the content is increased by 50%. So the total volume here is 5x. If you increase that by 50% by adding water to this mixture, so the volume of water that is added will now be, so since that is 50%, this will be divided by 2. So that will give us 2.5x. 2.5x. So that 2.5x is added here. 2.5x. So that means the volume of water will now become 4.5x. 4.5x is same thing as 45/10 fraction. 5 here is 9, 5 here is 2. So that means we have 9x/2. From this solution, 30 liters of the mixture is withdrawn and then replaced with. We have a mixture here which is uh, 3x of milk by volume and 9x/2 of water. So 30 liters of this mixture was withdrawn. So that means in that 30 liters of the mixture, let's calculate the amount of milk and water we have there. Now, in order to be able to do that, we need to know the ratio of milk and water in this new mixture. So what's the ratio of 3x and then 9x/2? So we divide both sides by 2, that gives us 6x, 9x. Divide both sides by 3x, that gives us 2, that gives us 3. So that means the ratio of milk to water is 2:3. So let's calculate the amount of milk that is in this uh, volume of the mixture that was withdrawn. So that means amount of milk would be 2/5 times 30. So that is 6. 2 times 6, 12. So that means we have 3x minus 12. So since the volume that was withdrawn was 30 liters, 30 minus 12, so this will be minus, what is left will not be definitely that of water, that is 18, so you have minus 18. So you withdraw 30 liters of the mixture and then replace that with water, so plus 30. So 30 minus 18 will give us what now? 30 minus 18, okay, that is 2, that is 12. So we have the new volume of water in the mixture will be 9x plus 12. So the new volume of milk in the mixture will be 3x minus 2. Okay, so let's continue. The resultant ratio of milk to water in the final solution is 3:7. Okay, so that means the ratio of the new volume of milk to that of water is now 3:7. So let's wipe all this off. Okay, so we have, let's first calculate 9x/2 over 2 plus 12. What would that give us? So that is 2. That is 9x plus 24. 9x plus 24. So this is 9x plus 24 over 2. Okay, so that means, so let's now generate our equation. So that means the ratio of milk to water will now be 3x minus 12 over 1 divided by 9x plus 24 over 2. So that ratio is 3 to 7. So let's try and simplify this to 3x minus 12 over 1 times 2 over 9x plus 24 equals 3 over 7. So we multiply everything here. This will give us 6x minus 24 over 9x plus 24 equals 3 over 7. So we cross multiply. So this will give us 42x minus 4 times 7 times, that is 8. 2, that is 168. So equals this is 27x. This plus 3 times 4 12, carry 1. 3 times 2 6 plus 1 7. So we collect like terms. This one 42x minus 27x will give us 15x. 15x equals this goes here to give us 168 plus 72. That is 10 to 14. So that is 240. So that means if we divide this by this, we get 16. Now the question is asking us to find the resultant ratio of milk to water in the final solution. Okay, sorry, the last part. Find the original volume of the solution. Now the original volume is 3x to 2x. That is, the addition gives us 5x. So the original volume of the solution is 5x. And we got x to be 16. So 5 times 16. So 5 times 6 is 33. So that is 80 liters. So D becomes our answer. So that is all for today. If you like what you have seen, don't forget to like my page, subscribe to my page, and if you want to take it a step further, you can drop a comment. That is all for today. So until we meet again next time, bye bye.